John Higgins, Mortgage One. Happy Monday. So, start off with a bit of good news. It looks like the federal government is going to open up. Did have the Senate over the weekend pass a continuing resolution bill, and the House should be reconvening this week to get things reopened. So, I wanted to bring up a couple different trends that have come to light this week. Find it quite astounding. The average or the median age of our first-time homebuyer has hit 40. If you go back into the 80s, we're under 30, so that's a 30% increase in the average age, but just shocking in my opinion that people are waiting to 40 to purchase their first home. On the flip side of that, that means that the average age or median age of a repeat home buyer is when they're just entering retirement at 62. So kind of some crazy numbers there. Another one that shows just where our industry is at, that we're at the lowest turnover rate in several decades. Just 28 of every 1,000 homes changed hands. We came out of COVID and the lockdown. We did see a big spike. The advent of higher interest rates obviously has had a huge impact on this with the locked-in effect, where people are unwilling to trade in their, say, 3% rate for something 6 or 7%. So not real good news. Here in Detroit, we're no different than the national average, which is sitting right around 28. The 10-year Treasury remains above 4%. We did have a robust ADP private jobs number that came out middle of last week. The market, I think, was looking for a negative number. It did come in positive, so our rates did jump off that 4%, and we're above 4.10 today. What does that mean for our mortgage interest rates? Well, for the first time in several weeks, we did see an increase in the 30-year fixed rate that's published by Freddie Mac survey at 622. So we know that home affordability is still an issue. These rates at 6% certainly help, but boy, it'd be nice to get below 6% here. Off that little graph I gave about the average age of a first-time homebuyer, I just wanted to go over those first-time homebuyer programs again. There are many options to get people into a home with lower interest rates or some help on the down payment. So Fannie Mae's got their Home Ready grant at $2,500. MSHDA, of course, offers $10,000 in down payment assistance. MSHDA also offers a 6% fixed rate. So this is a little used program, but does help with affordability. All of those programs require minimum down. We have a 100% LTV FHA loan. It's a two-piece, so a 96.5% first and a 3.5% second. What's nice about that program, no income restrictions that, say, MSHDA may have. I always joke that the least important item that your first-time homebuyers need is money in the bank. We do have options for that. If they have a decent credit score, we should be able to get them into a home. We know rents continue to go up, although rents are starting to maybe flatline here or at least stop the obscene increase that we've seen over the last couple of years. Would love to help you kind of fill your coffers with first-time homebuyer opportunities heading into the first of the year. Certainly give me a call about these programs. Would love to help you pre-approve and pre-qualify your buyers and get them into a home next year. We'll talk to you soon.